Iranian Khodro, the largest car manufacturer in the Middle East. One of the largest embankment dams in the world, and the largest in the Middle East, built on the Karkheh River in 2001 by Iran. Iran holds 10% of the world's proven oil reserves and 15% of its gas. It is OPEC's second largest exporter and the world's seventh largest oil producer. The launch of Safar in 2012 from Semnan Space Center made Iran the world's ninth nation capable of producing a satellite and launching it into space from a domestically made launcher. Seymour's launch in 2016 the successor of Safar. Dizin is the biggest ski resort in Middle East, located in the Alborz mountain range. It is granted the title by FIS for its capability in administering international competitions. The Iranian nuclear program was launched in the 1950s. Iran is the seventh country to produce uranium hexafluoride and controls the entire nuclear fuel cycle. On January 20, 2024, Iran launched the Soraya satellite into its highest orbit yet 750 kilometers, a new space launch milestone for the country, and the first time that Iran has successfully placed a satellite in orbits higher than 500 kilometers. Interesting facts. Total area: 1,648,195 square kilometer. Land: 1,531,595 square kilometers. Land boundaries: total 5,894 kilometers. Border countries: 7. Afghanistan 921 kilometers, Armenia 44 kilometers, Azerbaijan 689 kilometers, Iraq 1,599 kilometers, Pakistan 959 kilometers, Turkey 534 kilometers, Turkmenistan 1,148 kilometers, coastline 2,440 kilometers. Iran also borders the Caspian Sea 740 kilometers. Major rivers: Euphrates, shared with Turkey, Syria, and Iraq 3,596 kilometers. Tigris, shared with Turkey, Syria, and Iraq 1,950 kilometers. Helmand, shared with Afghanistan 1,130 kilometers. Ethnic groups: Persian, Azeri, Kurd, Lur, Baloch, Arab, Turkmen, and Turkic tribes. Languages: Persian, Farsi official, Azeri, and several others. Religions: Muslim official 99.6%, Shia 1995. Other includes Zoroastrian, Christian, Jews, and others 0.3%. Population distribution: population is mostly concentrated in the north, northwest, and west, reflecting the position of the Zagros and Elburz mountains. West areas around the deserts of the Dashti Kavir and Dashti Lut have a much lower population density. Urbanization: urban population 77.3% of total population 2023. Major urban areas: population of major cities 9.5 million, Tehran capital 3.368 million, Mashhad 2.258 million, Esfahan 1.7 to 1 million, Shiraz 1.661 million, Tabriz 1.594 million, Karaj 2023. Current health expenditure: 5.3% of GDP. Obesity adult prevalence rate: 25.8%. Alcohol consumption per capita: it's forbidden to consume alcohol. Iran experienced a swift population increase from 19 million in 1956 to over 85 million by 2023. Nevertheless, the fertility rate in Iran has seen a substantial decline in recent years, plummeting from 6.5 per woman to slightly over 1.7 within 2 decades, resulting in a population growth rate of roughly 1.39% as of 2018. In 2009, the Aerospace Research Institute of Iran introduced a high-performance computing HPC system based on SUSE Linux. Initially, it operated with 32 cores, but it now functions with 96 cores. The system's performance is benchmarked at 192 glops. The University of Tehran designed an Iranian humanoid robot named Serena 2, which was revealed in 2010. After evaluating its performance, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers IEE ranked Serena among the top 5 notable robots globally. In late 2006, Iranian scientists successfully cloned a sheep by somatic cell nuclear transfer at the Royan Research Center in Tehran. Stem cell research in Iran is among the top 10 in the world. Military service is compulsory for all Iranian men 18 to approximately age 40. Women are exempted from military service. 2023. Iran has a defense industry with the capacity to develop, produce, support, and sustain air, land, missile, and naval weapons programs. 2023.